provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. A very warm good morning to one and all gathered here. Myself, I am Hrishikesh P. from Class 8, grateful to stand before you on this special occasion. As we all know, today, June 5th, we are celebrating as Environmental Day. This day gives us awareness about preserving the natural resources and addressing the natural challenges. World faces tremendous environmental degradation such as pollution, deforestation, global warming, climate change, etc. This year's Environmental Day theme focuses on land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience under the slogan Our Land, Our Future. Land restoration is a process of ecological restoration of a site to a natural landscape safe for human, wildlife, and plant communities. Only a healthy land can support a healthy ecosystem. Restoring land has numerous benefits such as improving the soil fertility, water retention, preventing land degradation. It also helps in conserving the biodiversity. Desertification is a global issue and a great environmental challenge. Planting more trees and integrated land water management will help to reduce this issue. Drought is a drastic problem which have long-term effects on us. Making the communities resilient to overcome this issue is along included in this year's theme. Together we can make a positive impact. For that we will have to work together. On this special occasion, let's all take an oath that we will never do or support anything harmful and hazardous to our nature and try to do our best to conserve it. Thank you and have a nice day.